Students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Earlier we have done the phonic sounds of the letters, right? We have also done encircle the pictures, encircle the initial sounds, right? Today we will do opposite of it. Today we will cross the pictures which does not belong to the given sound. Okay. This is given on page number 7 of our English reader book. Okay, let's start. Which sound is this? Yes, this sound is a. A. Let us recognize these pictures. What is the name of this picture? Balloon. Balloon. Table. Umbrella. Umbrella. Now you will tell me which picture does not belong to a. Umbrella, balloon, table. Yes, balloon does not belong to sound a. So, we will put a cross on balloon. Table also not belong to sound a. So, we will cross on table also. Okay. Umbrella. Umbrella. So, umbrella belongs to sound a. So, we will not cross it. Okay. Let us see the next. What is the phonic sound of this letter? Yes. V. Now tell me, what is the name of this picture? Cup. We take coffee, tea, milk in the cup, right? What is the phonic sound of cup? K, right? Drum, D. Watch, V. Now tell me which picture does not belong to the given sound V. Yes, cup does not belong to sound V, so we will put cross on it. Drum does not belong to sound V, so we will cross on drum also. Watch, no, watch, W, watch, so we will not put cross on it. Okay, let us see the next. Next one is, what is the phonic sound of this? Yes, x, x. Now tell me, book. What is the phonic sound of book? B, book. What is this? Yes, your favorite, star. What is the phonic sound of star? S. What is this? Yes, this is Xmas tree, and Xmas tree belongs to X sound, right? Now tell me, which pictures do not belong to sound X? Yes, book do not belong to sound X. So we will put cross on it. And star? No. So we'll put cross on star also. Next one is, what is the phonic sound of this? V. Right? Now tell me, what are these? Yes, these are socks. What is the phonic sound of socks? S. What is the phonic sound of this? What is this? This is ink pot. Ink pot. What is this? Yes, this is a vase. What is the phonic sound of vase? V. Which picture do not belong to sound V? This one or this one? Yes, this picture does not belong to sound V. And this picture also does not belong to sound V. So we will put cross on these. Now you all will draw these pictures in your notebook and put the cross on those pictures which do not belong to the given sound. Bye.